Hi everyone, Kathleen here, a registered veterinary technician and part of the marketing team. And if you didn't hear the big news, Phil didn't see his shadow, so spring is just around the corner. That being said, with the warmer weather and an increase in pollen, you may be seeing your dog do this. This is what is called a reverse sneeze, and it may look like your dog is struggling to breathe, but it is actually a harmless behavior caused when a dog's soft palate is irritated. It could be irritated from allergies, household products, or overexcitement. These episodes do not require medication or treatment so long as they stay infrequent. To help stop reverse sneezing, you can massage your dog's throat to stop the spasm, but ultimately it should resolve on its own. We hope this information helps, and look out for more pet tips from your doctors next door.